to post TikTok draft to public. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to post TikTok draft to public. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now tap on post. I'm gonna record for like 3 seconds, 4 seconds, like that. Now tap on check icon. Tap on next. Now tap on draft. Click on this video. Click on add caption and click on post, and you're gonna post this video public. And this is how you post TikTok draft to public. This is our video. Hope you like it and it was helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.